Hey guys, what's up? So today I have a new video coming at you. I'm with Kara, Kaya, and then my friend is coming too, and then my mom.
Were you recording it?
Did you just ask if I was recording it?
Yeah. No, she's practicing.
No, I'm practicing. I do that performance. I get nervous. Hey guys, so today I'm filming a video with them. We're going to Six Flags, and this video is sponsored by Six Flags Fright. I'm so excited. We're on our way now, or we're picking up Desiree. Super stoked, and I'm gonna vlog the whole day. I also wear lashes today because I want to see if they end up falling off. Like, I'm gonna see how far they go.
What if one falls off and one doesn't?
Then I'll take the other one off.
So
I wouldn't walk around with one, that's embarrassing. Also, Desiree's here. Okay, see you at the bar. I don't know why I look like that. Anyways, so we're at Six Flags right now. We're at Six Flags with the squad. Squad goals, I know. You're so cute, sis. You and me, we just got our Diamond Elite member passes, and they're all shiny. Look at the squirrel!
And they got wildlife feature here. It's a zoo too.
It's a zoo too. Wait, where'd it go? These give you unlimited visits to like all the Six Flags parks and the Hurricane Harbor one too, like during summer and stuff. And it also gives you like really good parking when you go. It gives unlimited soft drinks, and she's gonna have to pee like so much. With it, you can also skip 2 lines. Like, you can go before anybody when you go to the rides. You can save up to 50% off with everything you buy. So if you want to buy like food or clothes or anything, but you get like 50. Was that the Fright Fest thing? I'm scared. You get a Fright Fest wristband, so you get to go to all like the Fright Fest things, which I'm so scared for because you literally just, did you hear that scream? We're all nervous as frick, you guys. You also can bring a free friend on select days. So like when you have the pass, you can just like bring a friend and they don't have to pay, which is what free means. So pretty self-explanatory. And then you also get Diamond Elite like seating for shows. Like, we're gonna go to a Fright Fest one, and I'm quaking, but anyways, that's like kind of what it is. But we're all flexing with our Diamond Elite passes, I guess you could say. Samantha's flexing by her. She's flexing, but she doesn't want to be too obvious about it. We're gonna go on rides, and I'm probably gonna pee myself. I peed already, but I drank Red Bull this morning.
You're drinking a lot of water, so you need to chill.
Yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna go ride some rides, and I'll update you guys. Where did I go? Oh, Desiree!
This is where they scare you the most at night.
That looked like, to be honest.
Yay!
I'm getting you good content. So cute. You're literally just like MTV. Welcome to my theme park. Oh yeah, don't lose the battery, Kaya. That was so fun. Oh my god, this is my way.
Right there on the corner. Can you look at the viewfinder to see it?
Ew, I felt it. That's a bug. Oh my god, there was a bug in my eye.
Are you filming that?
There was a whole bug. I'm scared. And that was like the easiest ride too. It was the Pandemonium, and sis was a nervous wreck. But this is what I look like. There's like all of these shirts. She's cute. But like, I'm too scared to wear those. Like, if I saw myself in the mirror, I'd probably cry. They look the same.
It's okay.
Is it good? Show it. She's flexing on this though. We're gonna go to Fright Fest soon. I'm really nervous. I probably will cry because if people yell at me, I cry. Or even tell me to be quiet, I'll cry. If something scares me, I'm gonna cry. She's literally just eating the cheese. Like. So I'll talk about like more of the Fright Fest details and everything after, because I want to give like my reaction first. I look really white. It's actually really similar. With the grease on it, yeah. I like being scared, but like, I'm scared. All I know is that I'm gonna be sprinting. What if I trip? Don't fall. Sleep. Yeah. That's gonna be me. I was like, don't fall. But that skull up there is gonna be me. Like, my head is gonna be on the stick, quaking. If I start crying, like, will they still like really try to scare me?
No, if you show you're vulnerable, they're gonna go after you more.
What if I like pretend
I'm sensitive.
But don't show you're vulnerable, because if you're vulnerable, they'll be like, oh, she's scared. I'm gonna scare her more.
I'll be like,
like
I'll be like,
I'm sorry.
So Fright Fest is commencing, and like our minds are like so weak right now, but we're gonna make them powerful. Our minds are gonna be so like. I'm holding Kaya. I know you're stealing something. I sense tension between the two of them. I think there's beef. There's beef. That's literally like that is Mr. Babinski and Coraline. That's what I was saying. Like, no, not Mr. Babinski. The pumpkin guy. Her dad. Oh, yeah, but like sorry. Oh my god. Kids and cons and I'm scared. I don't do clowns. I don't do kids. There's kids and clowns. So there's pigs coming out, and like we can't do that. I'm vegetarian.
Ruler of the underworld, the almighty Moron.
Oh no. Oh hell no. Bro, I'll see him in like 3 years. She's on an Instagram live, and I just felt that so much. Like she's literally on Instagram live. Be scary. The fog area. Oh, we're going into that?
Yeah. I lost them.
Oh, that's the tea. It's scary.
Look at her contact. You can see her like, oh my god. Even in the dark. Wow.
Feel better.
Hi. Wave to the camera. Cute. I was not even. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Like, oh my gosh, she's following me.
She was cute.
She was cute. I said, hey sis, how are you? And then she goes, chase me.
And she waved. She waved at the camera.
She says, they can see from here.
That was a cockroach. Say hi. Hello. Hello. Eating ear up.
Yeah, this is L Block 6 over behind Majestic.
Do I look cute?
All right, you guys ready?
Pray for me. Like, pray. Like, while I'm... Okay. First of all, I'm gonna poop myself. I should
How
poop.
scared are y'all?
I just have to poop.
Me too.
Like, kind of bad.
Pretty scared?
But I think I would do that anyways.
Who? All of us? All of us? Okay, all of us.
Hi. I love your makeup.
I'm so scared now.
Scoot down more. To the other guard.
That's a real act? Yes, he's carrying around a real act. No, they actually do that.
Oh, he's guard! Alright, let's go! Move it!
That's the tea.
I'm actually freaking terrified.
We haven't even walked in. Put on to me.
Order in my cause. What do we have here? Oh, what brings you before me? Crimes and misdemeanors of the most heinous sort, I'm sure. So therefore, I find you guilty. Guilty as charged. Hell Block 6 awaits. Now get out of my court! I have no more time for
Let's
you!
go, come on, ladies first. Get this door open, let's go.
Stunning, okay.
Let's go.
Oh, shoot, sorry. Why y'all really make me go first? I'm gonna die. Kaya! Not okay, not okay, not okay. Not okay. Not okay, not okay. Kaya! Go that way, go that way. My stomach hurts. Okay, go alone. Why you make me go first? Y'all have to go. Somebody go! I'm so sorry. I can't. Can someone please? Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Like, I'm so scared. Where do we go? I don't know. I wanna run, but I'm gonna, can someone please? Oh my god, I don't know where to go. Is this a dead end? No. Yes, no, wait. Where is every, oh.
You're going the wrong way, Chris. Let's come back.
Oh, y'all found us? Kara, come here, come here. Do y'all want to go to the bus? Okay, I'll go. I'll have my arms out. Guys, just do we go in this way? Should we go in this way?
Yeah, it's open.
I love Ariana Grande so much. What about you guys? Stop pushing me! No one's pushing you. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Stunning. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope my makeup didn't come off when I hit those. The T is, I'm gonna die. And the T is, I love Jesus, I love Jesus. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. I love Jesus so much. Y'all like Jesus too? I love Jesus. I love Jesus. And that's the T. The T is, I love Jesus. I love Jesus. I love Jesus, to be honest. Like, Jesus is stunning. And it sounds like I'm being sarcastic, but I just love Jesus. What are y'all doing? Just not real long, just go! You know what? Thank you. Thank you so much. Where did you, what? It was really dirty what Kaya did because at first, when everyone knew I was terrified.
I made you go first.
She made me go first, so.
Okay, but I crawled under the scary muddy throw up table, so.
That's the T. My brain just stopped working and then I like, logically I was like, nothing can happen really because I'm like, nothing, but no. Pass.
They were yelled at you, which kind of I didn't like because I don't like being yelled at.
No, if a teacher tells me to be quiet, I'll cry. And they were yelling at me and I was like, oh, the T is sis, I'm doing nothing wrong. And then one of the guys was calling me princess. I was like, sis, I got a boyfriend.
Sis, I'm hurt.
Sis, I'm taking, like. Mom, I also did cuss multiple times, so don't arrest me, please.
But you can edit it out.
I mean, I can.
I said one.
Just put the beeping,
I said
noise.
one.
Yeah. Beep, beep.
I'm shaking.
They were literally screaming at us.
Can you even see? No, but I feel like I am. I don't know.
I'm so bad, but
You're on something. That's what it is. Ooh, this foundation smacks. It stays on. That was really scary. Sis was scared. If anyone's like 12 or below though, like I would say like if they're Kara's 13 and she was trembling, so anyone below her I feel like wouldn't be able to do that. All the parks in the US it takes place in, so if you don't live where I live, it'll be like any Six Flags near you, so like you're good to go if you want to go. The Fright Fest part, it takes place on the weekends and select days through Halloween, so like it'll be all October and then some of September. So The Awakening was the show that I showed y'all. It was the part where the people would come out on stage and there was like dancing. It was basically like the intro basically to what you're about to go through, I guess, like the haunted house maze. Right now Desiree and Samantha are on the Texas skyscraper up there. It's really cool to ride in the dark. I'm just like really shaken up. The Fright Fest shows are really cool because like you get to see the actresses and stuff and actors and their makeup flex. It's a big flex. Yeah. I wanted to ask them what primer they're using. Like I was up close to one, like right there. His skin was so smooth.
Look at when you're walking through the park, it's like you're on edge because you don't know when they're going to come out.
Yeah, I'm literally shaking.
You don't know when they're going to come out, so you're constantly looking around to see, okay, this one's going to come around the corner.
There's also food and drinks that are like exclusive to Fright Fest. They're up there! Oh my goodness! You see that?
Have you not ridden that before? She was just laughing and I was like this. I was like,
Spicy. Just kidding, this is just a regular fries. These are the Fright Fest things. So there's like cheese fries, Inferno fries.
Inferno fries. Here, try this one.
These smack.
Love
solitaire. I also play like canasta.
What's a canasta?
It's a card game. And in solitaire, I always win at solitaire.
White people will be like, I love solitaire. I look like such an influencer right now because I have my camera, my AirPods, and then my little whatever backpack. I don't know what to say it, but also side note, without the pass, like it would have taken so much longer just because you just get like more perks, I guess. It would have been like a lot harder to go through all like the Fright Fest stuff. You pay monthly and it's like pretty cheap, and then also it's like good parking, and then you get like unlimited soft drinks, and we literally have got like a million of those. Mostly everything you get discounts too, so it's like really good. So I bought Kara a little sweatshirt. These are like super helpful with like the whole experience. Also, my camera's gonna die, but I'll update if anything happens, and then I'll probably film the outro when I get home. Also, do you hear that creepy clown music? Yeah, that's good. That's the tea.